Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tasty Food for All. Today I came with a recipe. You can make this recipe in no time. You can mix all the ingredients together and bring it to boil for just 2 minutes and keep it in the fridge for setting. That's it. And the taste, really guys, it's rocking. Look at that, how jiggly wiggly it is. Let me cut and show you. It's so yummy guys. Really, you need to try this recipe. You and your kids would definitely love it. Let me have another bite. Why is this not coming into my spoon? Got it. Okay. For this recipe, we need milk, gelatin, sugar, fresh cream. That's all. First, I would like to give you all the types of gelatins. You can choose whatever you like. What you are seeing on the screen, that China grass, vegetarian china grass, and the instructions which has been given on the box is for mix it in 1 liter, but it doesn't work at all. This is 100 grams in weight and 55 rupees. I'll open it and show you how does it look like. It is in light pinkish color, but it is supposed to be colorless. I don't know. So we'll go to the next brand, that is Sky Bird. This is unflavored gelatin and it came from non-veg. It works perfectly. I don't like the flavor. It is kind of like little bit of medicine flavor. I feel like that. You can try, and I may feel like that, but you may not. So you can go ahead with this product. It looks like a minute granules, and when you dissolve it in water, it becomes totally colorless. You can add your own flavors into that. Price is also reasonable, so go ahead with this. This is 25 grams at 69 rupees price. This is what I am going to use today. This is China grass powder. The packet mentions that it is agar agar powder. I'll give you the link in my description box below. The packet contains 10 grams of powder at the price of 50 rupees. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon and 1/4 teaspoon of agar agar powder. Add 30 ml of water. If you don't have a measuring glass, then you can use your tablespoon. 1 tablespoon measures 15 ml of water. So you can use 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it and let it sit for blooming. Taking here 250 ml of full cream milk. Goes in 250 ml of Amul fresh cream. Guys, I have 2 other recipes in my channel with agar agar powder, and if you want the health benefits of this agar agar powder, check my mango jelly balls recipe. It is there in my iCard above. One-fourth cup and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and mix it. Then goes in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, half of 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now let's bring it to boil until milk and fresh cream well incorporated together. Then we are going to add gelatin mixture into that. Then after adding gelatin mixture, we are going to cook it for 2 minutes. That's it. Done. Two minutes are over. We are going to switch off the flame. Then let it cool down in the bowl itself. Then we'll transfer into our mold. Now we will pour our liquid into this mold and then keep it in the refrigerator for about an hour. That's all. it's time to demold our panna cotta, and we just loosen up this mold for easy taking out the panna cotta from the mold. Here I have taken 5 good day biscuits. I'm going to grind it and make it into a fine powder, then come back. Then we will sprinkle the biscuit powder on one row, and the second row will be cocoa powder, and the third row will be again biscuit powder. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and share with others. And very soon I'll come with another recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.